To me, belonging means that other people in your community accept you.
When we go to school, we feel blessed because we are a big, beautiful family. We're a mosaic of diversity, which creates the perfect picture.
I feel like I belong in Quebec because of its forest and because of the snow.
I live in Dagenais, an Indigenous territory right in the middle of Canada. I really like my school, though I don't feel like I fit in a lot.
For folks in the audience, quick question. Which of these words do you feel like apply best to this story?
Anyway, I love what I am and I am what I love and that's why I'm this strong. I love what I am.
Chez nous, on a toujours parlé en français avec ma mère puis en anglais avec mon père. Puis ça continue à être comme ça à ce jour. De proposer un projet qui rassemble une classe de français langue seconde avec une classe d'anglais langue seconde, ben, je trouve que c'est une excellente idée.
Est-ce que c'est important pour toi d'être bilingue?
Je suis nerveuse quand je parle français et j'ai beaucoup d'erreurs des fois.
I'm also nervous when I speak English.
A lot of things that I do right now are because I'm bilingual.
My best friend is Anglophone, so she can help me with my English. So I'm not shy to speak it.
What is belonging? Togetherness, to fit in, to feel included, to matter. Yet, you can still feel all these things without the idea of belonging making you feel like you have to fit in and be a part of this togetherness. Because you don't feel like you belong, you want to belong. And honestly, it's bigger than a want.
I speak French in my native language, which is Creole. Now, I'm learning English.
I live in Quebecia. I am Indigenous and speak English and could understand French and Mi'kmaq.
My friends and family are very important to me. One of my moms was born in Ontario and the other one was born in Quebec.
When people make me feel like I belong by being friendly to me, I feel appreciated and loved.
Okay, so this project, iBelong, made me realize that we're all here as a family. We're all the same in a way, and we got each other's back.
Sometimes I dream about speaking Hausa, maybe Igbo, maybe Twi, anything to allow me to tell my story more honestly, because honestly, what kind of artist paints in their own blood?
When a group doesn't want you, there's always other people to rely on.
Tribes describe you. You are lost and yet found. You will lose the world's riches and yet find yourself.
I belong here. This is like know people's names and so they help me get to know people better.
But belonging here is a family and life itself. No one wants to be isolated in a corner.
That love is what I pick and choose to remember, even in the face of so much that still hurts, and so much that I still don't understand.
Oh.